Products start their lives as things that aren't functioning at all, right? Their default state is not working. Product development starts with a problem, it evolves into an idea, and into a thing that does something. To go from the problem to the idea to the thing, one way or another, we have to do the stuff to make the product work, to bring it to life. Now, there are a couple approaches we can take. The first one you'll probably find familiar. We take a problem, come up with an idea, and make a thing to solve the problem. And then we find out if it functions, find out it doesn't, and fix it so it does. Or cancel the project. And then we see if it actually solves the problem, find out it doesn't, and change it so it does. Or cancel the project. And then we see if the customer truly likes it, find out they don't, and ship it regardless. We don't really cancel the project at this point because we're too emotionally invested. That's reactive product development. We're effectively treating our own product like a black box, and only learn the science governing it when we're forced to do so. It's not a fun way to go through product development. Operating in fear of the unknown, just not fun. The second approach is we take the problem and really dig into it to deeply understand what's needed. We do the uncomfortable work of hanging out in the customer's pain. Then we come up with many ideas and we expand and converge that idea pool until one rises to the top. And then we develop that thing by learning the science that governs it. We make it robustly capable, and that's proactive product development. I mean, the fundamental difference is this. In proactive development, we know the product will work because we've gone on a quest to gain that knowledge. In reactive product development, we don't know if it works or if it just hasn't failed yet. But really, it's always that it just hasn't failed yet. Remember, products start in a state of not working, and there's just no way in the infinite network of cause and effect that a team can miraculously find the path in the dark from generally knowing about a problem to a detailed, capable solution. And that's why proactive product development has shorter cycle times, costs less, and results in higher quality products than reactive product development. But it does take an investment, right? An investment in the voice of customer and the requirements and the concept design work that you have to do up front. And investment in your people to learn product development skills, which, by the way, are a different thing from other technical discipline skills. Right? You can be the best mechanical engineer in the world, but not be good at product development. Sometimes reactive product development just seems like the project that drags on and on and on. And sometimes it's an absolute train wreck. In any case, it'll have you thinking, there's got to be a better way. There is. I hope you found that valuable. Thanks for watching.